What's up, YouTube? Before you even think of solving Pythagoras or SohCahToa questions, you have to watch this video. Because in this video here, we're going over how to label a triangle. It is essential that you know how to do this. The first thing that we need to do is we need to check, do we have a right-angled triangle? So a right-angled triangle is one with this little square here. This little square here means that it's a 90-degree angle. So this here, 90-degree angle, a 90-degree angle. So we need to check, is it a right-angled triangle? If it is, we're able to solve it. So this one here, got the square, 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 got the square. If it doesn't, we can't solve it. So we can't solve this one, can't solve this one, can't solve this one. You can't do Pythagoras, you can't do SohCahToa with those. It has to be right-angled. Next thing is now we need to know this word here, hypotenuse. It's going to flash up on the screen now, hypotenuse. And one little effect, hypotenuse. Give us a little twirl, hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse is the longest side. It is the longest side in a triangle. The hypotenuse, really handily, is always opposite the right angle. So what I like to do is I like to use my square as an arrow. And my arrow will always point towards the hypotenuse. And I'm just going to do a little h, because hypotenuse is a really long word. H, much easier to write. So my right angle is always an arrow pointing towards my hypotenuse. An arrow pointing towards my hypotenuse. An arrow pointing towards my hypotenuse, an arrow pointing towards my hypotenuse, pointing towards my hypotenuse. Is this one here the hypotenuse? No. Is this one here the hypotenuse? No. This one here, it's where the arrow is pointing. It's the longest side, the hypotenuse. It's a long word, the longest side. Come back for part 2 where we're going to go over 2 more really important words, and then we're going to be able to do Pythagoras and SohCahToa easily. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.